Hi everyone, this is Russ Marston, principal of the middle school here at GNS. Today I'm excited to give you some updates about the ongoing work in the middle school, made possible by the generous donations of our community to this year's annual appeal. Thanks to everyone who has contributed. The spaces will be designed to enhance teaching and learning and student growth and development. In the main building, we'll see cosmetic and structural changes, along with upgrades to technology and furniture. But the real changes are in the Brooks building. So why don't you follow me and we'll take a look. The summer's focus is mainly on the second floor, where we'll be updating the hallways, the classrooms, and the shared spaces. However, here on the first floor, we'll see some changes as well, with updates to the hallways and entryway, and in particular to our washroom spaces, where we're building 4 gender-neutral bathrooms, including one for those with accessibility needs. Now let's head upstairs and check out the improvements up there. Here on the second floor of the Brooks building, as you can see, work is well underway. The facilities crew at GNS has been hard at work ensuring that these spaces are ready to go for students and staff when they return in September. To my left is where you'll find 4 more gender-neutral washrooms. And if you follow me this way, I'll show you where my office used to be. Through this opened up wall is where the middle school office used to be. Ms. Paget was in this corner and I was in that corner. And we're excited that walls have come down to create new learning space for the students. Follow me this way and I'll show you the Brooks Commons. This space is what we're calling the Brooks Commons, a shared space that's easily accessible for all 3 classrooms on this floor. Students will use it as a breakout space for collaborative group work, presentations, and more. And I know that this space will provide a transformative experience for students for years to come. I would like to again thank everyone for their generous support of this year's annual appeal, which is making this possible. If you would like to contribute to enhancing the middle school experience for our students, please visit the donations page on our website. I'm really excited to welcome everyone back so that they can see the finished product and start taking advantage of all the possibilities. On behalf of everyone at GNS, I want to wish you a happy and safe summer.